Hey guys, just gonna do a little test here. Make sure things are doing what I expect. Let's see here. Well, that doesn't make sense. I was gonna say I'm gonna mute this. Oh, let's see if we got audio. Do we have audio? Can I hear me? I can't hear me. Let's see here. I'm trying a little something different. Let's go crazy. No, don't want that. Let's see here. Yeah, how about just my... Actually, I thought this was going to be my channel. Isn't this supposed to be my channel? Well, I'll go here, here. And if it is working... Okay, I can hear it. I don't know why I couldn't hear it on the other computer. But anyways. Okay. Yeah, so... First thing first, I mean, I am planning on doing a few things here. But the first thing was Tailwind from V3 to V4. Because I've been using it in other places and it's great. And I would like to make sure I stay up to date on this stuff. So let's see here. I think because I already did the next. Yeah. So, yikes. Look at that. I'm behind on my next. What about React? I'm good on React though, ish. We can update all that. Let's see here. So, we're going to PNPM update next. React DOM. Might as well do React icons while we're at it. Motion. Gonna wait for Tailwind because I'm gonna use the tool that they gave us. So that's not up, or it might work, but update. All right. So this just updates to the nearest. Oh, so next isn't gonna do it because these are actually specific versions. So we'll need to wait. We'll just pnpm install next latest. Same with motion, React. Latest React DOM latest. All right. Sorry, hold on. I'm probably gonna have to help this old man of a cat because he's trying to walk on my desk and there's nowhere to walk on my desk right now. It is not a good place for him to be. You're gonna knock things over. What are you doing? You can't be up here, bud. All right, hold on. Come on, old man. Yep, that's what I thought. It's the old man. Old man, say hi. We found him abandoned. Sorry, we found him abandoned. And he was nothing but skin and bones, and he's doing a whole lot better now. But it has taken quite a while and effort. Let's see here. So, I actually do want these to be like, what's the, like that. I don't remember what the name for that is, but basically it's like nearest compatible version. I think it updates on minor and patch, but not major. Anyways, it's safe enough to do this right now, right? Or should I just tell it specifically? I don't know. I mean, I know what will definitely do what I want it to do. And that's going to be saying for this is fine. React is going to be basically at 19. Can you do that? Just at 9 or not at, I mean, but. That happens sometimes. Yeah. So every now and then it gets out of sync because I make a change or whatever, and then it doesn't show me the updates necessarily. Anyways. Wait. Oh, next themes needs to be updated too. Can I do that? Cool. Cool. All right. But that still didn't update the. Yeah, it still didn't update these. It's interesting. Probably because it's already there. I'm just wondering if if I put this in here like this, which is what I want it to be, is it gonna mess up my lock file? Because all of these I'm happy with. I mean, generally speaking, using that syntax is what you're gonna want. Allows you to really easily install patches and updates. Yeah, all the minors, but I wonder, can you do hold on, before I do this, let's try npm install types react. Because I'm going to say, can I do this latest? No. Okay. So I would have to know what latest is to be able to install the specific version, but I can say types 9 like that, right? I think. But why isn't it updating in here? That's interesting. I wonder if Claude knows. Using pnpm, how can I update a package from a static version to a near version, for example? Types React is currently and I would like it to be basically like that. Yeah, so I need to know the specific, but that's fine. I mean, because I know it here. I'm not looking to update to a major version update. So I know I want 19 point something. So what does this do specifically now? I'm curious if we do that. It didn't do anything. I don't like that. Oh, it's waiting on me. Yeah, okay. I mean, I can just update it and then run the install. Stop. Cancel. Stop. I'm good. I'm good, chat. All right. Speaking of chat, let's see here. Make sure that I am not. There we go. Okay. So we can just go ahead and that. Sweet. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And we should get the updates. Yeah, I mean, that technically worked. Okay. And in theory, I can just npm update also. Well, but the install would have done the recent. Sorry. Oh, yeah, there we go. Cool. Now we are all updated to the newest on that side. And I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, I don't want that in there yet. Okay. Yeah, sorry. I was going to commit this real quick. Version, bump versions. List. All right. Now let's go ahead and run that code mod dealy and see how well this does for us. So pnpm dlx tailwind /upgrade. So pnpm dlx is like the same thing as oh, it wants me to stash her. You know what? I can easily add this back in. I didn't end up using it, but you know what? I'll show that later. All right, let's try this again. Okay. There we go. Interesting. Okay, so what did that update for us? That changed. That brought us to the newest version of Tailwind and added the post CSS dev dep. Changed our post CSS config, nuked our config.js because that's actually been migrated to the CSS side of things. We got some changes. Okay, so like stroke 7 doesn't exist anymore, but or no, stroke. Oh, that's interesting. So it used to be 7 didn't exist and now it does exist. Okay, that's cool. I'm cool with that. What else do we got? Used to be flex shrink, now it's shrink. Good to know. We got a bunch of minor changes here. Let's see here, shadow is now shadow small. Okay, it's interesting. All the shadows got like bumped down a size, it looks like. So regular is now small, small is now extra small, etc., etc. Outline none is now outline hidden. Cool. Let's look at the card. Shadow. Dialogue. Outline. Yep. Oh wait, did I miss some stuff there? Nope, that was it. Okay. Outline, again, none to hidden. None to hidden. So data bracket disabled now is just data dash disabled. Okay. Okay, all right, all right. What do we have here? Outline change. Oh, wait, did I see another one? Yep, same, the data disabled stuff, okay. Outline hidden, data disabled, same stuff, okay. We're getting there. Shadow changes. Hey guys, there's my reminder that I need to eat. Because I have ADHD and sometimes I forget that. Okay. Outline hidden. Cool. It's interesting that, so, but this bracket syntax is the same, so cool. All right. I'm gonna guess this is similar. Yep, outline, none to hidden. Okay, but this syntax has changed somehow. Huh. Okay, that's interesting. So we went from like this tr last to last tr. Wonder why that was. Okay. Outline hidden to none, and we were almost there. Z depth 100 is now just, yeah, there's, I hope that's actually right. I'm assuming it would be. I mean, we haven't even looked at the page yet, right? Like, let's get it running. Okay, and then, yeah, so our globals is now much different. I like that I have the example here too, because like there's a lot of these things that I didn't look into yet. Like, how does this work? How would this translate? And so now being able to see, like, I went from this. So where are those animations? So there's the animation stuff. So this animation float, blah, 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 turned into, what's here? I can do this. There we go. There we go. Yeah, so we can kind of see. Now we've got a variable called animate float, a variable called animate rotate 15. Okay, cool. I mean, it really kind of just, for the most part, just goes straight down. So it kind of flattens out the theming. Oh, the font stuff, it's good to know because that's something that is, you know, done pretty much every project, right? So we still have our, okay, standard out of box stuff, and then this would be custom, right? And they look the same, which is fantastic, I think. We have our keyframes. All right, all right. And then we get into the stuff that was already here. And it's interesting how that's gonna play. Okay. It was awesome. Let's see what it actually looks like, shall we? Yeah, I'm missing a font for sure. Okay, so the mono font is not working. I don't know that any of the fonts are working, actually. All right. So most of the stuff worked. Fonts did not. Let's see if we can figure out why. So, Let's look at a working example. What is... Let's see here. What's it? Oh, no, this is my... Oh, maybe it's hero math. There it is. Okay. So this, I think, was using the new stack. So let's look here. Sorry, my brain just completely got lost there. Fonts. Okay. So here's what the fonts look like in here. And wait, where's the other one? There it is. Okay. All right. Sorry. Clearing my throat right in the mic. You're welcome. All right, we don't need that. We need globals. All right. I can say all right a few more times, right? 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 Theme. Font. So this is all... Oh, I see. Okay, so this is relying on Font Railway, though, which does not exist. Although... No, it should, because yeah, this is also relying on that, which is coming from... sorry, it's coming from the layout. Or... No. Not, well, yes, but not that. No, it should be that layout. After. Where is that guys coming from then? Where did that move to? This might be the trick. Oh, wait. It's just there? That doesn't make sense, because layout, I can show you for sure. This is where like all of this stuff is coming from. All right. And the variable should be font railway. And then the mono, which is the other text, is coming from font oxygen mono. Wait, is it still, what about the, yeah, and then import is, yeah, basically same. Okay. Yeah, so how is this one getting the font in there? Well, maybe we should look at fonts. Is there anything in, okay, there's nothing. I'm just gonna bring this over to the main screen. There's nothing in the upgrade guide. But let's pop over here. Yeah, and so that's the same. Do I need to do something different like that? That's... What did they do here? Yeah, they didn't... But they didn't have custom. But then again, like the rest of the stuff doesn't seem to... No, maybe the rest of it is working. Maybe it's just mono. So maybe I need to change... Because it's like font, and then it's family name. So font dash. I can't tell what the syntax is supposed to be. Here we go. So display is a standard. It's not like a override. Here. Okay. Sorry, making faces now. Okay, here it is though. Like, yeah, because Roboto is not a, so it should be the same. Or wait, but font mono, I'm using this as mono anyway, so mono is a standard class. But either way, it looks pretty straightforward. Like, it's the same. So why is it not working? What is different? And it does actually look like, so if I go back and forth now, right? Like, no, I don't, yeah, no, there's something different about the rest of it too. I don't think any of these are working. I don't think they're working. So let's pretend. Well, see, that's the thing is I wanted to. This has everything. Theme inline, theme. Oh, this is different now, right? Because this stuff. A lot of this came from like the Shad CN UI stuff. Let's see if he has anything to say about it. Yeah. So they are using theme inline and all the other stuff. Here we go. Okay, so we followed the Tailwind upgrade guide. I can try and run this thing, so it'll probably want me to commit everything, so let's go ahead and say Tailwind v3 v4 and codemod or ran upgrade utility. What is not? Yeah, everything's saved. Wait, hold on. What is going on? Oh yeah, might need to stage them. That would help. All right. No, I do not want to release this yet. Thank you though. And let's run this. So pnpm dlx, and I feel like this is the same thing, right? Yeah. Okay. Sorry, just getting over like a chest cold, so clearing my throat a lot, but I don't want to do that in the mic. All right, so yes, the code mod will upgrade your CSS variables as referenced under the theme directive. This works, but to make it easier to work with, we need to move HSL wrappers and use theme inline. So we're gonna move root and dark out of the layer base and wrap the color values in HSL. Okay. Close this and open this up further. Although, I mean, this did work. Okay, so it's just gonna be. Oh, so this is gonna. We're gonna grab this stuff and have it out here, I guess. right? That's what we're seeing. So root and dark. And then we're going to need to wrap these in HSL, which is actually something that I was wishing that it was part of the original. It was always weird to go from these to over to the Tailwind config and try and convert them. Because sometimes I'll use like HSLA too. Oh man, this is where tools like Cursor are just incredible. Let's get this running again. Pm dev. And how is it looking now? We are missing even more colors. Great. Okay. What's next? Theme inline. Now we need to remove the HSL from the inline. Let's see your inline. Oh wait, where's the inline theme? I thought we were supposed to have a theme inline. Didn't we have one, or was that just in the other one? Okay, well, we're gonna remove the HSL from. Oh, and these are gonna need to be above. Let's see here. I guess theme inline was in the other one. But it's definitely going to need to be like after the variables are set. Assuming. All right, and then we're going to call this theme inline. But I feel like there's stuff that's supposed to be in here. Because like if I just save now, am I even further out than I was before? I feel like I am. Okay. Well, yep, none of these need this anymore, so we're going to get rid of it. And okay, now we're closer. Oh wait, yeah, okay, that's actually doing it. Cool. I got my fonts back and everything. What do they say next? Update the colors for charts. I don't need that. New size utility. Upgrade your dependencies. I would love to do that, so let's do that. Oh, this is good. Okay, here we go. This is good syntax that we were thinking about earlier. I like knowing that I can do this. I've tried this before, but I didn't realize the trick was to use quotes. Okay. Okay. What do we get? Okay, we actually even get some other. So that's interesting. This I feel like should have been updated when we did the up date before because it's near. Or is that one of those that was, did I miss a caret format? Serial loose side? No? Huh. Now I'm curious why that didn't update before. All right, remove forward ref. Oh, interesting. Okay, so what it's saying here is that we can remove the forward ref. Use remove forward ref code mod to migrate your forward ref props or manually update the primitives. Okay. So it basically is replacing React forward ref with React component props and removing the ref and adding a data slot attribute. And it can optionally convert to a named function and remove the display name. Oh, okay. So instead of a const accordion item with accordion item dot display name accordion item, which I always thought was pedantic, now we can do it the way that I would have assumed you could do it before. This is a lot more straightforward. Okay, I'm so happy for this because this was like some of the most complicated stuff to read. It just wasn't like, as far as all the Shadcn stuff goes, it was my least favorite part, but also like it made sense. All right. Can I just run this from the, no, okay. Well, I don't know if I can or can't, but let's say I will need to commit this stuff now. So fixed theme post Tailwind upgrade PM DLX target here. Cool. And I mean, this is all real time and done. We can see it is still working great. So let's see here. All right. Let's real quick look at the rest of these. So yep, we're gone. It's interesting though. So even though we had the option to change this syntax, the code mod doesn't. So I'll have to keep that in mind in the future as I'm going through and updating stuff. Or was there like a secondary code mod for that? Sorry, let me, which page? There it is. Oh, wow, that just jumped. Okay, available code mods. Oh, there's a new way of handling context, which actually I need that too because I do have context in here. I'm just not using it right now. It's for some gamification stuff I was doing for the site. Maybe I'll enable it and show you. It was silly, but I like it. Okay. Element ref is deprecated. Is there anything in here about element ref? Nope. I wonder if I should just like run all of these. Anyways. All right, I'll have to figure out what to do about that. But right now, we're just going over and looking at everything. So, yeah, it's in. Do I just need to restart the TS server, or is something broke? The good news is I can probably just reinstall some of this from Shadcn. Yeah, okay. So let's see what this looks like in the new one. This is the dialogue. And so the content section. Yeah, no, that's what it looks like. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, dialogue portal and then overlay, which no longer has a ref. It's literally right here, and ref is right there. Okay. I thought this was getting rid of that. Wasn't that supposed to get rid of that? I don't think that I've changed this. Let's see how many of the other ones are not working the way we want. So we know those two are fine. What about drawer? Drawer has an issue. Okay. Drop down's got some major stuff. I can't remember which ones of these have updated though, because I guess that's the problem is some of these I have made updates to, and other ones I have not. I might need to do this because of the way I handle export for my CV. Yeah, so React 19 really prefers pure components with the way that the rendering engine works. So like if we run this right now, it's totally broken, right? Sorry, I'm getting my windows all messed up because I had stuff open over here. Like it should. That's interesting. I'm gonna do the thing where you close the window and open it and see if that resolves some of these errors or if this is something more. No, yeah, it's persistent. Am I missing a type update? Because we updated those. But it never did do the whole... Wait, I thought I had changed that. Let's try that. Does it update those two? No. What about that? Wait, it got rid of it. What the heck? Why would that... Is that maybe because of the way that... No, that's... I'm really confused about that. Oh gosh, and I have to update eslint too, which is... That's a whole nother beast. Actually, that's probably what's happening. Eslint is broke because it is gross to try and update this stuff. But I am using a mostly, let's see here. I have a good example out of that same one that I had just had opened. This one's from the new, and it's got new config, right? This is the flat, yes, flat compat. So let's try this. And we're gonna need to install a few things. So can I do that like eslint asterisk thing? Wait, no, it was it like this? Yeah, so the asterisk is inside. But that didn't do it. That's up. Oh, so up would have worked. That's funny. Oh, it was the, okay, so it's eslint, but it's like dash dash latest. D? Do I need to do that? Oh, that's interesting. Oh, it's because that's install. I need to do update. Will that work? Or do I even need the D? Well, it did work. Let's do that with the types also. Okay. So now, oh, I think this is a new one. It is a dev dependency, so we'll slash capital D. Oh, hey, there we go. We're looking better. About this, if we click, oh, eslint is still complaining. Oh, does the, I think it might need to be just.js. Sorry, where's my other one? Yeah, it's just .js, not CJS. There are imports? Sure. And where are those imports? Is it... I can't remember. It should show up here, though. So if I go and look at one of these now, yeah, it still has the... That's odd. Still complaining about that. What is this complaining about now? Oh, let's try and restart the eslint server. Aha. We are still complaining about things. Okay. Could not find config file. Okay, well, where was it in here? Where's the eslint? Search eslint. I need to update that too. This is riveting stuff, right? But at the end of the day, it's pretty important, right? Is that the latest? Is it even... Oh, it is. Okay. I don't... is it that one and the other one? Package. Yes. And it's at 827. And this is 820. Okay, yeah, we're good. On that. Obviously, it's still not happy. Alright, and it's not there. These things are just referencing rules. Here. This is where it was updated, and it is being included. Same ways. Oh, it is a CJS still over in here. Oh, okay, so... Which, should be because... Sorry. Why can I not find... Okay, we're going to do the have you tried turning it off and on again thing again, because this is getting silly. Wait, what? No. Oh, what heck? Okay. We try again. Oh, you know what though? I don't have drizzle with this one. I'm gonna do. I can't remember if I have a recent one. I think I do. This is just a. Nope, that one's drizzle too. Did I have one with Prisma? No, it doesn't look like it. So let's pm DLX create T3 app latest. Because the Prisma is gonna have, let's see your test. 2025 01. No, 0401. CT3A Prisma. I do have that in this one. I am using the app router, this and that. I'm curious about Biome now, especially with all this eslint stuff. I should check that out on stream one of these days. Do not care about that, and do not care about that. Oh man, I ran into this before. I think it's fine. Yeah, okay. I mean, it scaffolded. But it failed before it got to this point, apparently. Yeah, it broke. What did I do to fix that? Oh, that's right. I used the beta branch. Let's just step through all this again. Oh no! Now the beta's not working either. Did it make it to... Wow, no. Why is create T3 app down? Wait, what? Just happened. Oh, because it's beta. That's interesting. So since it couldn't find the directory, it just popped open the most recent old one, huh? Okay, so this is what this one looks like. So we don't have the drizzle stuff, which is, you know, great. But, all right, so if I do that, what in here references eslint? Oh, so it is .js though, not CJS. Although this one's, I wonder if that's part of why it's broken. Because this is referencing the CJS and that one is just .js. So let's go to just.js. No, not gonna worry about that because I'm gonna do it manually. Just strictly .js is how they prefer it now from eslint. So this is set to module, right? Yes. Okay. I'm just gonna run this real quick to make sure. Yeah. Okay. Oh man, why is it not able to find the config file? Well, let's see if their internet. See if the internet has anything to say about that. It basically says it was fine when they updated to the new format. We have the new format. Is there anything else different about it? Oh, there's no dot. Oh yeah, because I'm naming it completely wrong. Eslint dot config.js. Jeezy Louisey. And yeah, we'll go ahead and update that because it's just here, right? Beautiful. We'll double check that. All right. I'm guessing it. Yeah, it didn't. Okay, that's weird. I don't like that. Because it was open, it just didn't save it. No, I don't want to save that. Oh, that's where that file went. Interesting. Okay. Now, GC Louise, if I restart again, yeah, that's the one I want. Okay, okay, all right. And then if we come over here, all right. So we are so much closer, I think. Now let's go back and look just real quick at these components. Yes, we are still getting these errors, and the ref was supposed to go away. So if I grab this from here, I mean, besides being broken, yeah, it works a lot better now. So what else? Because, well, I mean, it's completely changed, right? No. Let's find out at what point it fixes. Let's see here. Let's go into the dialog directly instead of looking at it that way. So our error is here in the dialog overlay. So I'm assuming... Oh, wait, but this has still got the forward ref stuff. Do I need to... Is there a different version of... Do I need to go to... No, this is just a demo. Sorry, I'm just looking here and like I'm realizing that while there are some changes between mine and the old, like this reintroduces the whole forward ref thing. Curious now, if I run the install for this. I think it'll tell me that is the manual way. There we go. I think it's gonna ask if it wants to be. Yeah, it should ask me if I want to overwrite. I'm gonna say yes. Oh yeah, it's completely different. And it's completely different than what's listed in the ShadCN UI stuff. Like if I was to copy paste. I don't really like that. Let's see here. Let's do one I can test. I can test card, which is nice because it's working, and so I can commit it. Okay, let's see here. Let's commit our eslint changes. There we go. Update eslint from 8 to 9. ShadCN updates for button and card. All right, now I have a checkpoint. Let's grab the button code here. Okay, yes. What does button look like? How do they? Oh, you know what did that? Probably break some stuff. Let's see, where do I have buttons on here? What that? Whoop. It's not running. All right. I mean, they look fine. These actually aren't even buttons. I just styled something, some divs or something. Okay, so made some minor changes. All good. This is what I'm more curious about. So yeah, okay. So he did move to the function and component props. Huh. So if I install directly, then I get it. But if I look at manual, yeah, this is old. Good to know. But it also means it's a little harder to like bespoke pick and choose pieces. But like I said, I don't think I've updated these. But the thing is, like, then if I had made updates, this would be a lot more painful. But let's go ahead and update the rest of these. So we got dialogue. I already did dialogue. Was that the one I did? Yes. So we got button, we got dialogue, drawer, drop down, menu, input, select, slider, table, text, area, and toast. Yeah, I'm using Sonar anyways. Oh, I might have to change the implementation of that though. Let's double check. So Sonar, I think it's pretty much the same. All right, now how broken does that make my site? Nah, we're good. All right. And if I go to layout where the toaster is, there it is. It is all good. That's, yeah, I was already using Sonar to begin with. So, all right. it's just called Sonar now instead of calling it Toaster, which I get. I guess, you know, that give credit where credit is due. It's a great piece of kit. All right, let's commit this. Updated Shadsian components. Before. And if I build, I can check and make sure that we are structurally sound, and if so, I'm going to sync this and we can make it live, which will make my whole website 100% the same in theory. Yeah, I mean, this and this are from, this is from my context thing. Oh. Wait, what? Did this one not get updated? I thought I just updated this. Hey, why is this? Did they change the card API? Or is this just complaining about stuff still? It does have a ref. Did I not I don't think I updated card, did I? I missed it, I think. Or is that the one I just was talking about? Jeez, Louise. Nope. I needed to update it. Okay. And that's why we test things, right? So let's and before I do that, one more test. I could probably also, I mean, I could have run lint first, but this is going to lint it also. Oh, yep, we got some more stuff. I vaguely remember this from before. And beautiful. I guess lint is going to be faster, though, for anything else it might catch. And it'll actually give me a whole list. Hey, there we go. Okay, so we do have a couple other things. Yep. I don't like that. Did update toast. Right? Did these other things got updated, right? Because oh yeah, because it's Sonar. I remember doing that. Is there a oh. I have to nuke this because this doesn't, okay. Which means that doesn't exist anymore, and so it's not a problem. Okay, but this still works because it is coming from Sonar. All right, one last check. Yeah, looks, no, we still have a, this is wrapped in the Sonar stuff, so I don't think I need that anymore either. It's interesting that didn't get caught in the last lint. Oh, I guess because it still existed until I deleted it, huh? Wait, what? No more use toast. But now things are still fine because that's coming from the right place. Lint is faster than the builds. Okay. Anything else I'm missing? Oh, wait. Yeah. I feel like I'm missing something from the shed since I like... Yeah, okay, it's different. So it's not this anymore. It's just... It's just a function. There we go. I don't even have the... Oh, yeah. The contact page hasn't been up in a minute, so that's probably why. It's like still part of the old... like V2 site. Hey, we did it. All right. Fix toast error. Going live. All right, so I'm going to take a short break. I don't know exactly. Wait, that's the wrong one. There we go. Sorry. Yeah, I'll be back in anywhere from 15 minutes to like half hour. And I think what I wanted to do after this was to add the blog section back in. And by adding it back in, I mean basically building it from scratch, because I had previously done some test integration with like a CMS, and I definitely don't want to do that. It was mostly just a proof of concept for something else entirely, and I want to build it myself. So I know a blog isn't necessarily anything super fascinating, but I will be going through and setting up in a way that does like the server-side generation for the articles. So some of it I think will be in the database. But I want it to be really... So here's the challenge is I want to be able to make basically bespoke blog pages and just like write them as components. But I also want to be able to like search, to like index, to you know, have all of those other features also. So it's kind of like building a directory. Can I just build the directory and then like infer a list from there, or do I have to keep the list separately? I mean, ideally I'd just like drop a new subfolder in with the page and say, here's my new one. And then when I do the build step, it would pick up the changes and add them to some sort of index, because yeah, I could even maybe do some sort of like SQLite thing that runs on the client for the search. It, you know, it's just like, how much complication do I want to give myself for something that's already been solved 1,000 times? You know, yeah. So that's where I'm at, and so that's the plan when I get back. Because I have things that the other thing I want to do is like my projects page, where I just have links to all the different kind of like projects that I am working on or have worked on, things like hero math and some other little utilities and things that I just want to share. They're all on my GitHub, but you know, that's not exactly accessible to a lot of people. So anyhow, cool. Well, that turned into, yeah, I thought like for a minute there, this is going to be like a 10-minute stream. Like, oh my gosh, ran this utility and everything's working. And then, yeah, we got into the Jadzien stuff, and that got a lot more complicated, even though there was relatively good instructions. So I'm glad I didn't have major edits to the components, but that's also kind of why Jadzien UI is architected in the way that it is, because you are encouraged to, you know, make your own changes, and a lot of projects are going to have that. So it would be nice to see that process work more smoothly. It's unfortunate that the code mod wasn't able to fix it on its own. I think that going through and doing it step by step as suggested would probably, like, the instructions that Jadzien has on the website is probably the way to go about updating that if you have changes to your components, like I do with some of my other projects. So that'll be fun. Yeah. So thanks everybody for dropping by, and I'll be back in a half hour, 45 minutes, 15 minutes. I don't know, you know, like hit the alert, follow if you